Good afternoon, students. The topic for today is firewall. So, for all the organizations, big and small, we have to implement firewall for security reasons. So what is a firewall? So, any device that filters all the traffic between a protected inside network and an outside network is known as a firewall. Most firewalls run on dedicated devices. It is easier to design correctly and inspect for bugs, easier to optimize for performance. Firewalls implement security policies or set of rules that determine what traffic can or cannot pass through. When we come to the design of firewall, a firewall is a special form of reference monitor. So a reference monitor has three characteristics. That is, a reference monitor can be always invoked, it must be tamper proof, and it should be small and simple enough for rigorous analysis. So always invoked, the firewall should always be invoked, tamper proof. We cannot modify the connections of the firewall, and its easy should be very simple for rigorous analysis. So here is a table showing the type, what is the type of connection, TCP, UDP, and the source address is given and destination address is mentioned, and the destination port, and what is the action that we are going to action. It either you can permit or you can deny. So firewall, so it's a network security device that monitors, filters incoming and outgoing network traffic based on organizations' previously established security policies. So at its most basic, a firewall is essentially the barrier that sits between a private internal network and a public internet. Firewall's main purpose is to allow non-threatening traffic in and to keep dangerous traffic out. History of firewalls. So firewalls has been existing since 1980. It started out as packet filters, which were networks set up to examine packets or bytes transferred between computers. Though packet filtering firewalls are still in use today, firewalls have come a long way as technology has developed through the decades. Generation 1 virus. In late 1980s, virus attacked on standalone PCs affected all businesses and drove antivirus product. Late mid 1990s, attack from internet affected all the business, and that led to the creation of firewall applications. As early as 2000, exploitation vulnerabilities in application affected business, and that led to the invention of intrusion prevention system product, or which is known as the IPS product. And then we have the generation 4 payload. Generation 4 approximately around 2010. The rise of targeted, unknown, evasive and polymorphic attack which affected the business led to the anti-bot and sandboxing product. Generation 5, approximately around 2017, large-scale multi-vector mega attack came into existence, and using advanced attack that led to the development of advanced threat prevention solution. So next we are moving on to the types of firewalls. So the firewalls can be of the following types. We have the packet filtering gateway or screening routers. We have stateful inspection firewalls, application level gateway also known as proxies, circuit level gateways, guards, personal or host based firewalls. So we will be discussing in detail about these firewalls in the next section. So to summarize, Firewalls are network devices, network security devices that filters the what package should enter our internal networks. So we have a public network or internet, larger outside network. So what enters the internal secured network is decided by the firewalls. So firewall is a network security device that monitors and filters incoming and outgoing network traffic based on the organization's previous established security. So at the most basic, a firewall will essentially be the barrier that sits between a private internal network or and the public network. Thank you.